So the next key here is accept yourself. Nobody's going to love you if you don't love yourself. Nobody's going to treat you right if you don't treat yourself right. The way you treat yourself is the way people are going to treat you, because people are watching. So you need to accept yourself. Accept yourself for who you are. Okay, nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. So even if you are a short man, don't hate yourself for being short. People, just love yourself. If you love yourself the way you are, people are going to love and accept you the way you are. So let me tell you how to make yourself a priority, and keep being the prize that every woman wants. Hi guys, this is Elegant, and on this channel we talk about everything love, sex and relationship. And on today's video I'm going to be telling you how to make yourself a priority, how to make yourself a priority as a man. So the very first way to make yourself a priority here is to learn the magic word no. Learn how to use the magic word no, because don't think that always saying yes and doing everything a woman wants is the only way she's going to stick with you. No, that's not it. Learn to say no sometimes. A lot of girls, a lot of these beautiful girls are used to men worshipping them, simping around them because they are pretty. So you saying no to her will make her to be more interested in you. That's for the first time someone is actually saying no to her request. She's going to be more interested in you. So saying no will make her believe that you know your worth. Okay, don't think that always doing everything she asks for, always answering yes, always running elter skelter anytime she needs your help is the only way she's going to stick with you. So learn to say no. Learn to use that word no sometimes. It will make her value you more. It will make her see you as someone that knows your worth. And that's what every woman wants. No woman wants a man that is always here and there, agreeing to everything, saying yes to everything. You need to know how to use the word no. For some girls, it's very difficult for a man to say no to them. When they have all the packages, all the fronts, all the backs, all the beauty, it's very difficult for most men to say no to them. So for such a lady to walk up to you and then ask you for a favor, like, can you do it? Can you do this for me? And then you say, no, I can't. That would really shock her, because she'll be so surprised. She'll be like, have I lost all my charms? Like, that will make her more interested in getting to know you, because already she's used to all the compliments, all the attention that other men are giving to her. So you saying no makes you different. Saying no makes present you to her in a different way. Okay, she will want to be more interested. She will want to get to know you more. So guys, learn to say no. Okay, learn to say no. It will make her to be more interested. It will make her to value you and see you as someone that knows your worth. So guys, another way to make yourself a priority is by setting goals. Set positive goals and work towards to achieving them. If you want to be that important person, if you want to be that person that is valued, if you want to be that person that is more attractive, okay, you want to be more attractive to women, please set goals. Set positive goals and work towards them. Tell yourself, in 2 years time, this is where I want to be, this is what I want to achieve, this is what I want to have, this is where I want to be. Okay, set goals and have something that you are working towards achieving. Don't just be there and just relaxed. Okay, set goals. That is what will make a woman to see you as someone that knows your worth. Because nobody wants to be with somebody that doesn't know where he's headed. Nobody wants to be with someone that doesn't have plans, doesn't have anything to work towards. So if you want to make yourself a priority, please set goals. Work towards achieving them. Build yourself. Okay, develop yourself. Okay, add value to yourself. So guys, another key here is self-care. Self-care is more than just having your bath every day. There is more to self-care. Okay, you need to prioritize yourself by taking yourself out, go on a date, go on solo dates, go on solo trips, take yourself out, pamper yourself, go for massage, just pamper yourself, take care of yourself, buy yourself all the expensive things. Okay, spend money on yourself. It's your money and you are working for it. Buy those expensive clothes, shoes. Like, just make sure that you are spending your money on yourself. Don't wait until you have a girlfriend that you'll be spending money on. You deserve to be pampered, so pamper yourself. Go on dates, go out for dinner. Don't wait till when it is when it is a group outing with your friends and then you decide to join them. Okay, your friends might even be more handsome than you and are going to be taking all the attention from all the ladies and you'll just be behind. So learn to take yourself out, go out alone. That's when you get to meet people. That's when you get to meet girls and you relate with them. So the next key here is accept yourself. Nobody's going to love you if you don't love yourself. Nobody's going to treat you right if you don't treat yourself right. The way you treat yourself is the way people are going to treat you because people are watching. So you need to accept yourself. Accept yourself for who you are. Okay, nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. So even if you are a short man, don't hate yourself for being short. People, just love yourself. If you love yourself the way you are, people are going to love and accept you the way you are. So be the first to accept yourself. Love yourself. Pour all the love you have in your life on yourself. Okay, just love yourself. Give yourself that love. Okay, accept yourself. Nobody is perfect. Okay, no matter what you have on your body, accept it. Okay, work towards making yourself better. If there's something you don't like about yourself and it's something that you can change, work towards it. Okay, work towards changing it. If you don't like anything about yourself, work towards it. Okay, make sure you accept yourself, because like I said, if you don't accept yourself, nobody is going to accept you, because if you despise yourself, you will be despised by a lot of people. So present yourself the way you want to be seen. Okay, don't just say negative things about yourself and expect people to say positive things about you. Accept yourself first. Love yourself. Prioritize yourself. Okay, you are loved. You are worth it. Okay, you are loved. You are valued. So love yourself, accept yourself, and everything will be all right. So guys, I hope these tips are helpful. If you find this video useful at the end, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it for other people to watch and get better with your life. So see you in my next video, and I love you so much. Bye.